Our wildlife economy exemplifies the harmony we strive for, sustainable collaboration and efficient consistency, coexistence that unlock vast opportunities for communities living alongside nature. In this space, ecotourism ventures create jobs and boost local business, while carbon credit trading and programs provide direct financial benefits to those engaged in ecological stewardship. Community conservancies have transformed livelihoods by generating both direct and indirect income streams from grassroots levels, from villages, all the way to our national platform. Consider the example of Kalama Conservancy in Samburu County, where Saruni Lodge generates Kenya shillings 1 billion annually through tourism revenue and employment opportunities in that ecosystem.